What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I had a question recently that when succulents tend to produce pups or when the stem has pups like this, and if we tend to cut the pups often, does that affect the health of the mother plant or the mother stem? That is a very good question. Actually, it does not affect the stem or the succulent because it's going to keep producing pups every time that you tend to cut, because the mother plant or the stem has the energy to produce multiple pups. So if you keep cutting it, it will keep generating pups, just like how we tend to harvest fruits or vegetables. When you tend to harvest, they tend to put out more fruits or flowers or vegetables. The same process follows in succulents as well. But the most important thing what I wanted to share and thought I will give you a visual presentation is where exactly to cut when you have pups on the stem. Now of course not at this stage, because these are very small. We cannot do any cutting on this. They have to reach probably another couple of inches and then we can do a cutting. But let's say they have reached a good size and you want to do a cutting. Always cut this part. You can see this, or you can cut it over here, leaving a little bit stem on this. This is the mother stem and this is the stem of the pup. So what I would say is cut it over here so that you still have the pup stem present on the mother stem. Now what's going to happen over here is, let's say that if you cut this part, then it will generate pups on the lower portion. Then you're going to keep cutting it. In this way, what's going to happen is you are going to shorten the mother stem, which ideally you can avoid it by just cutting this portion. So you still have this mother stem with you and the pup stem over here. So this pup stem will generate even more pups. So you can keep cutting this until you reach over here, and then you'll have to wait, because then again the mother stem is going to produce another stem like this. So you don't have to cut the mother stem. The mother stem will not reduce in size. We want to keep it as large as possible so that it can produce more pups, because if you're going to keep cutting it, at one point you'll reach to an end over here and then you won't have anything that will produce more pups. So that is one of the best way that you can try this out. Try to cut the extended stem that you see and let it root. It will root. Every pup will root at some point. Now again, there isn't any definite time frame when it will root. It all depends upon your environment, climate, the growing season, the type of succulents, because some succulents tend to root faster, some take a little bit longer time. So it all depends upon the succulent and the environment. We can't do much about the rooting. It all depends upon them. So in this way you can do a cutting, but yes, it will not affect the mother plant or it will not affect the mother stem. It will keep generating pups as and when you keep cutting them. So that's about it, guys. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep planting.